Hi, I'm Luziana Brazil in YouTube, and today I'm going to show you Rooster with the feet. It's not with the feet, but the word was like that. It's a food preparation of rooster instead of a chicken with pig, but because I didn't have the pig, I used the bacon. So it's from the southeast of Brazil, Minas Gerais, the state of Minas Gerais. I didn't know that the recipe. I was a little bit skeptical, but a friend of mine told me it's good, so I decided to do. It is on the pressure cook here. It's really delicious. I didn't have the dinner yet or lunch yet, so I'm going to try. Okay. It's a little bit fat, so if you're on a diet, maybe you will jump the one ingredient that is lard to fry first. You fry first and then you put the water. Some people don't put the water, they cook without the water. I don't know how to cook without water. So I tried. I was a little bit skeptical, but it's really good.